Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the weekly market analysis. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, do well to click on the subscribe button and smash the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Yeah, so it's a new week, and then this will be the second week of the month of March. All right, yes. So I've made a few changes to my watch list. We'll get there very soon, and I'll talk a little bit about it. Then we see how the new week will be for us. But before we get onto the chart, I want us to look at the economic news calendar and see what is up for us. Monday we have euro balance of trade, but my attention will not be there. I'll look at Tuesday. Tuesday I'll be looking at Australia business confidence, at the NAB business confidence. Then I'll look at the job openings for USD. On Wednesday, CPI. All right, that is the biggest news that you are expecting this week. Yes, you're expecting CPI to drop this week. So you have the inflation rates. Currently, inflation rate sets at 0.5%, and the market is expecting a drop to 0.3%. So look at how that one will come. So that is inflation rate month for month. For the inflation rate year over year, currently it is 3%, and the market is expecting a drop to 2.9%. All right, here. So you also have the core inflation rate. Then you have the core inflation this month over month and core inflation rate year over year. Then I'll also be looking at the interest rate decision for Bank of Canada. All right, so they are looking to reduce rates, or they are looking to cut rates by 25 basis points. So currently sit at 3%, and they're looking forward for interest rate to be at 2.75%. So that is just that for Wednesday. On Thursday, I'll look at PPI. All right, yes, USD PPI. Then on Friday, I'll look at the GDP month over month for GBP, then GDP year over year for GBP. All right, and I also look at the Michigan consumer sentiment for the month of March, so far as USD is concerned. Yeah, so that is just that for the economic news calendar. Let's jump into the charts and see what is happening. So this is my new watch list. All right, so henceforth I'll be going by this watch list you are seeing here. All right, I'm gradually shifting my attention away from the currency market. All right, yes, I'm gradually shifting my attention away from the currency market, because the manipulation on the currency market is crazy. All right, especially when we have these geopolitical events happening and all that. All right, yes, the month of February has really taught me a lot. All right, one of the days I thought that even with the currency market, heavy manipulations can only happen on the lower time frames. But hey, the higher time frames, it happens. All right, especially with the JPY pairs, man, those pairs has really lashed me in the month of February. All right, and never again. Yes, so gradually shifting my attention from the currency market. So I'm looking at the oil. All right, that is the energy market, and then gold, that is the metals, and then the indices market, that is the Nasdaq. All right, but I will still be looking at the currency market though, but my focus will only be on GBP USD, AD USD, AUD JPY. All right, because I noticed that with all the manipulations happening on the GPY pairs, AUD JPY was smooth. All right, on the higher time frame was very smooth. The direction was so clear and all that. So AUD JPY maintains on my watch list. Then I'll also be looking at USD card. All right, yeah. So US oil, UK oil, gold, and then Nasdaq. So henceforth, this is going to be my watch list. I think I even made the announcement on my Telegram channel. All right, so if you're not on my Telegram channel, just look at the description box below. The link is there. Click on it and be part of my Telegram channel. All right, so that whenever I post any information out there, you would be able to get this information hands on. All right, yes, my VIP channel is also open. All right, yes, so I post trade signals. All right, yes, so mostly swing trades. All right, but with the gold market, the energy market, and then the indices market setting in, you'll be getting trades on a daily basis. All right, yes, at least within the week you might get 2 or 3 trades. So far as all these markets are concerned, that is the energy market, the gold market and then the Nasdaq market combined. All right, so you take note of that. If I'll post any trade on the currency market, it's going to be swing trades. All right, because I mean that is what I'm known for. So you take note of that. Let's look at what is happening on the dollar index. For the dollar index, I made you aware that, I mean, if you watched my previous market analysis, that is just last week's own, I outlined the zone right here that I was expecting to see price push into the zone, and it did exactly that. All right, you've seen price taking out the previous lows right here. Price took out this last down close candle prior to price pushing up. It took out that low. Then this gap here has been filled. All right, yes. But if you should switch to the weekly time period, realize that the line there still has a more downsides to do. All right, yes, we fill this gap here. There's also another gap right here. All right, that I feel price will definitely move into and then fill that gap. So as it stands now, for the dollar index, I'm expecting to see price push up. All right, I'm expecting to see price push up to fill this liquidity void. There is a small imbalance right here, volume imbalance right. I don't know if you're seeing it. There is a little bit of a volume imbalance right here. All right, yes, so little. If you don't have the eye I'm having, you won't notice it. Yes, if you don't have that eye, I don't think you'll be able to notice it. It's very small, I mean, but you could see that is a volume imbalance. All right, you could clearly see that is really a volume imbalance. All right, yes, you could clearly see that is really a volume imbalance right there. So I would expect to see price push up, all right, as a form of retracement, because I mean the dollar index is now in a bearish order flow. All right, so I expect to see price push up into that volume imbalance, and right beside the volume imbalance we are having a rejection block right here. All right, there is a rejection block sitting right beside the volume imbalance, so that makes it a very high probability area for price to get into and then bounce off from there. All right, yes, so I expect to see price move up, then we see a push down. All right, yes, so for the dollar index, I'm still expecting to see price retrace, then push down to the 100 level. All right, around the 100 level area, this zone right here. All right, this very zone right here. So for the dollar index on the long term, I'll be looking at for bearish sentiment. So that is just that so far as the dollar index is concerned. Let's look at what is happening on GBPUSD. Yeah, so for GBPUSD, it's clearly an inverse of the dollar index. All right, yeah, so we are experiencing a bearish order flow on the dollar index. On the other hand, we are experiencing a bullish order flow on GBPUSD. So as it stands now, I'll also expect a retracement. All right, we've taken out previous swing highs. So for price to continue to push up, I'll expect to see a higher swing low formation. All right, yes, so this is the recent swing high that was taken. All right, this is the recent swing high. All right, so I'll expect to see price move down. All right, even if not right at this level, I'll expect to see price make out for a higher swing low around this area before we see a push to the upside. So for a short time, I'll expect to see GBPUSD give a bearish sentiment. All right, yes, so this level is going to be a major level, right? A major level for me, that if price should take out this low right here, I'll start looking forward for sales targeting this level right here. All right, so my first level is going to be this area right here, then look forward to see price push here. All right, so that is my expectation so far as GBPUSD is concerned, because I mean price is trading above March opening price. Look at how price reacted as soon as we had an opening for the month. We saw price pushing down a little bit, then a rally up. All right, so price is really in a deep premium so far as GBPUSD is concerned. So as it stands now, I'll expect to see price take out this low right here, retrace a little bit, then I'll look for sell opportunities now to push price to the downside. So that is my expectation so far as GBPUSD is concerned. Let's look at what is happening on AUDUSD. So for AUDUSD too, same plan, all right. Just that between AUDUSD and then GBPUSD, GBPUSD hasn't really moved that much as compared to GBPUSD, all right. So just as I've marked this zone right here, I would expect to see price push from here, all right. Yes, take out this swing high right here, all right. Yes, so previously we took out this swing high, so I'll expect to see a formation of a higher swing low, all right. I want to see a higher swing low formation formed around this area, all right. But this high right here, I want to see price take out this high. Once we see price taking out this high, I'll jump in for buys, all right. I'll jump in for buys targeting this swing high right here. Let's switch to the 2-hour time frame and see. Yes, so just as you can see on the 2-hour time frame, this is the recent high that was made on the lower time frame, that is the 4-hour, the 2-hour, all right. Yes, so the 2-hour is one of my favorite time frames when it comes to lower time frames, all right. Yes, so maximum 2-hour, 1 hour, I don't go below that, all right. Yes, so I'll expect to see price push up, take out the swing high, make a formation of a higher swing low, then based on that I'll enter in for buy targeting this high right here, all right. So that is my expectation so far as AUDUSD is concerned. Let's look at what is happening on AUDJPY. Yeah, so for AUDJPY, I'll expect to see price give us a push, all right. Yes, the higher time frame, we realize that price has taken out with major lows right here, all right. Price has taken a major low right here, and there is a concept that I've learned from Larry Williams that if we have a push to the downside to the extent that one movement or one or two or three movements pushes to the downside, take out several lows, you should expect a reversal, all right. This is really a heavy liquidity that the market has been able to push, or the market has been able to grab. So I expect to see price push up, but this swing high will be my focus, all right. If price really wants to push up to target these highs right here, I'll expect to see price violate and close above the swing high right here, all right. Once the swing high is being taken out, all right, once the swing high is being taken out, a closure above it forming a higher swing low formation would cushion me to enter forward for buys target these highs right here, all right. So this is what the daily is saying, but let's look at what is happening on the 4-hour time frame. Yes, so for the 4-hour time frame, price is trading below March opening price, all right, which is a discount, all right, which is a discount for us. So I'll expect to see price, if price will push to the downside, if I'm to take any short-term trade targeting this high right here, I'll expect to see price push to the downside as we've taken out a swing high right here. Let's go to the 2-hour time frame. Maybe the 4-hour is not the 2-hour is much clearer now. So if I'll take a short-term trade on AUDJPY, since we've taken out this recent swing high right here, I'll expect to see a formation of a higher swing low formation within the zone, all right. Then once I see that, I'll enter forward for buys targeting this high right here, all right. That is my short-term target, because I have an overall target, or I have an overall objective on a daily time frame that I'm expecting price to deliver before I take any long-term decision on AUDJPY. So my short-term target that will give me around 156 pips, all right here. So this is my short-term target so far as AUDJPY is concerned, all right here. So that is just that for AUDJPY. Let's look at what is happening on USD CAD. For USD CAD, since I'm expecting to see bearishness on the dollar index, then I'll expect to see USD CAD give us a move to the downside, but I want to see this swing low violated. All right, I want to see price violate this swing low, then close below it. Once we see a closure below, a violation and a closure below this swing low, making up for what? For a lower swing high, then I'll expect to see price push down. All right, push down, violate this bullish order block we are seeing here. All right, violate this bullish order block we are seeing here, then a closure. All right, if you go further, then a closure below it, which I'll take another entry to see price push to the downside. All right, yes. So basically, that is my expectation so far as yes. So this is the swing low I was talking about. All right, yes. So when you see price take out this swing low, once this swing low is taken out, I will expect to see a closure either below it or just above it. All right, above it within this rejection block right here. Within this rejection block right here. All right, so it's either we see a closure below it, all right, or above it. But most of the time, price closes within the rejection block. That has been my observation most of the time. Then we see a push to the downside. All right, here. So that is my expectation so far as USD CAD is concerned. All right, here. So that is just that for USD CAD. Let's look at what is happening on the energy market. That is the US oil. All right, yes. So for some time now, you've seen the US oil giving us a downside movement. All right, yes. I'll be looking out for there's a high impact news I'm expecting for US oil. We didn't see it in the list though, but I mean, so far as you are trading the energy market, there are certain things that you should pay attention to. All right, yeah. So I'll be looking out there. What happens with the energy market is that every week there is an oil inventory. All right, a USD oil inventory news that comes out. All right, it comes out every Wednesday and it tells you the number of supplies of oil that has been made. All right, or the supplies or the amount of supplies that has been made. Yeah, so I'll be checking that and then see. All right, but I'm expecting to see price push up. All right, yes, I'm expecting to see price push up. This is the recent swing high that was taken. All right, this is a recent swing high that was taken on the 4-hour. So now I'm waiting for a higher swing low formation. All right, so I'm waiting for a higher swing low formation. Then I'll look for you to see price push up, take out the swing high as well as the swing high. All right, yeah. So that is my expectation so far as the US oil market is concerned. Let's go what is happening on the UK market. So the US oil and the UK market are positively correlated. All right, they all move in the same direction. So if I'm expecting price to push up on the US oil, then on the UK side too, I'm expecting price to push up. Looks like we've already seen a swing low formation even on the daily, but I want a confirmation on the 4-hour as well. All right, I still need a confirmation on the 4-hour. All right, yes, I still need a confirmation on the 4-hour. If we can even see things clearly, there is a fair value gap. All right, there's a fair value gap right here. All right, so this low coming, this low here. All right, then this high. All right, that is a fair value gap. So I'm expecting to see the formation of the swing low happening within this fair value gap. We see price trade within it, forming a higher swing low. Then we see a push up. All right, yeah. So on the UK oil markets, that is going to be my expectation. All right, yeah. So that is just that for the UK oil. Let's see what is happening on the gold market. So the gold market, I'm expecting to see price push down. All right, but let's see. Let's see. On the gold market, we've seen a consolidation for some time now. All right, so on the 4 hour, we can see the consolidation. If we switch to the 1 hour time frame, you see it so clear. All right, in the whole of last week, the gold market was in a consolidation. So as it stands now, I want to see a breakout. All right, I want to see a breakout of the consolidation. I want to see price breakout of the consolidation. It's two things. All right, it's two things. It's either we see the console. You see, one thing about manipulation is that you can't predict where the manipulation will go or the direction of the manipulation. All right, because those of you that are aware or that are familiar with the AMD concepts, that is the accumulation, manipulation, and distribution, you clearly know, all right, that we are in a consolidation phase or we are in an accumulation phase. As to where the market will manipulate to, we are not aware. We don't know where market will manipulate to. All right, so it's two things. If we see price break out to the side, I'll look for what? I'll look for buy opportunities. Then I'll target this high right here. All right, then maybe we see a push down. I mean, the gold market can can react whichever way it wants to react to. All right, and currently with the kind of environment we are in now, whereby Trump is giving out his tariffs and all that, the gold market serves as a safe haven. So in case of any geopolitical event or war or something like that, big investors will want to push their money into gold, and that will push the price of gold higher. All right, so as it stands now, I mean, the direction of the gold market is unclear, or it's not clear at the moment. All right, yes, but with what is with the current price action, we're expecting a manipulation to happen. If manipulation happens in this form, all right, yes, because just as I said, currently it is this is a accumulation phase. So if manipulation happens in this way that we have a breakout to the downside, I will look forward for buys targeting this high right here. All right, if we see the manipulation happening to the upside, then I'll look forward to sell to the zone right here. All right, because I mean price is above March open price, and that is a premium zone. So that is what I will be looking for based on how the manipulation direction will go. All right, yeah. So that is just that for the gold markets. Let's look at what is happening on Nasdaq. Yeah, so for Nasdaq, we've seen Nasdaq pushed to the downside for some time. All right, we've seen Nasdaq push the downside for some time. So as it stands now, we've had a word. I'm believing that this is a swing low formation. All right, I'm believing that this is a swing low formation. So as it stands now, I want to see price push up. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame and see. So for those of you who are on my page, I made you aware that I'll be trading Nasdaq, or I've added Nasdaq to my watch list. So going into next week, I'll be posting Nasdaq on my VIP. All right, so if you're interested, you should just hit me up on Telegram. My ID is there. Just click on it and then hit me up so that we talk. All right. Yes. So for that, for indices, for the gold market, for the energy market, that is the US oil and the UK oil, is going to be day trades. All right, it's going to be day trades, and then I'll be coming into the market at specific times. All right, I'll be coming into the market at specific times. For the time that I'll come into the market, those of you that are in my VIP, we made known. All right, here. So if you are interested in joining the VIP, just get in touch with me on Telegram. All right, my ID is in the description box below. Get it and then hit me up on Telegram. All right, it is very, it's very moderate. All right, I'm giving out a 3-month offer. All right, here. So you just hit me up and then we take it from there. All right, here. So that is that. So for Nasdaq, I'll expect to see price push up. All right, this is the swing high. So recently we've taken out this swing high right here. All right, we've taken out a swing high right here, and just as you can see, price tapped into a fair value gap so nicely. All right, price tapped into the fair value gap so nicely right here. I don't know if you are seeing it. Yes, so I'll expect to see price push to the upside going into next week, but I'll be silent on this market until the CPI news comes out. All right, yes, because the CPI can misbehave, so I'll be silent basically on all the pairs that I've outlined. All right, so it is after the CPI that I'll be actively trading on the market here. So for Nasdaq, I'll expect to see price push up to take out this equal highs right here. All right, these equal highs, and then mind you, price is trading below what March open price. That is a discount zone. So that is a discount zone. So you take note of that here. So that is just that for the weekly market analysis. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, do also click on the subscribe button and smash notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. If you're not part of my Telegram community, just check the description box below. The link is there. Click on it and be part of my Telegram community. And you're interested in my VIP signals too, just hit me up on Telegram. All right, then we'll take it from there. I wish you a good luck and good trade. Peace.